What is shame? Is it fear manifested from judgment, from insecurity? Or is it a lack of self and inner assurance? Well, recently I've had to battle this question, and in the process of mulling over the role shame has had in my life, I learned how much my internalization of shame was hindering my personal growth and worldly potential. Shame is a lie. It's an untruth we conjure to protect ourselves from the unknown and the things that will test us most. It's entangled with ego as self-preservation, and it appears as a preventative measure in our lives, but really it is the opposite. It dawns on me that I allowed shame to become my comfort after reflecting on many instances in my life when I didn't quite attain the pinnacle of my ability. It was the only common factor to my unfulfillment. It was reliable and took the place of discomfort I avoided from challenging situations. And despite the ease I felt relying on my shame, I simultaneously felt disconnected and blocked from my future bestowments. But the worst part is that it was a self-constructed fear, due solely upon the shame I had allowed to fester and mold in me. It was as though I knew there was another version of me existing in a continuous state of what-ifs and possibilities. I didn't start to take measures to change this until I became completely fed up with the trajectory of my life and my waning potential. By reaffirming what I knew to actually be true and valid in terms of my abilities, I slowly freed myself from this debilitating shame. In many ways, my current break from shame has been a reclamation of my identity and impending worth. It hasn't been an instant fix, and it's a constant battle to rewire the self-deprecating actions and thoughts that got me into my self-induced rut. However, the little battles that I do win slowly take power away from the shame that hindered my life so. And if any of these musings resonate with you or within your psyche, I encourage you to evaluate where your shame stems from and how it manifests in your life. Identifying it and conquering it will be one of the most frightening but equally exhilarating and empowering experiences you can have. Then and only then can you take full ownership over your fabulous life. Peace and love.